All right, we're cutting across to live images right now from Moscow. Prime Minister Modi set to reach the hotel where he will be staying. And you can see the excitement on the ground as locals in Moscow as well as Indians have all gathered in large numbers there to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi. A grand welcome that was accorded to the Prime Minister as he touched down about 30 minutes ago to a guard of honor at the airport. And you had the first Deputy Prime Minister there to also receive Prime Minister Modi. An honor that wasn't even accorded to Kim Jong-un. So that speaks volumes really of what really this visit means to Russia as well. Gaurav Sawant is joining us live from the streets of Moscow. Gaurav, a lot of color out there. You know, what's interesting to see is the desi flavor on the streets of Moscow to welcome Prime Minister Modi.
It's actually from Russia with love, because you have several Russian artists, several Russian performers, including one, if I can show you, carrying the tricolour there to show it to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Look at the excitement. These are Russian ladies who are wearing ghagra choli, and they're rushing there with the Indian tricolour in an attempt to show it to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Look at that image. The Prime Minister's cavalcade has just arrived, and there you have this Russian lady with India's flag, another with the Russian Federation flag. And they're all very excited about seeing Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this is the Desi Tadka in this Russian trip. And you have Russians who've assembled here, waving. They're all assembled here. They've come from their houses, very excited that the Prime Minister of India is here. They're waving the Russian flag and they're waving the Indian
Bharat
flag.
Mata ki!
And of course,
Bharat Mata ki! Vande! Vande!
so what brings you here holding the Indian colour?
Namaste, Mr. Modi. We're happy to see you in Moscow.
Namaste, Mr. Modi. Do you also speak Hindi?
I very, very like India.
You like India? So,
And Modi, of course.
okay, you like India and you like Modi. Why do you like India? Why do you like Modi?
Like Modi, like Putin. Modi, like beautiful man. Beautiful man.
Очень красиво.
Because it's in our culture to have friendship with Indians.
Yes.
It's with us from the beginning.
Because we have got very, common characteristics, common features, and common cultural ties.
Okay, absolutely. And that little kid there, I also want to show you that little kid hiding behind the tricolour and the Russian Federation flag with that big smile on her face. So Akshita, this is the excitement. This is the excitement that you see here on the streets of Moscow. Of course, people were very keen that perhaps Prime Minister Narendra Modi will cross the road, come this side and wave to them or see them. But unfortunately for these people, given the fact that traffic had been held for quite some time, they've now gone in. The Prime Minister has gone in. And in a while from now, this crowd, of course, will melt. But what's very interesting, in a moment or two from now, Akshita, you'll get images from inside. Those students of the Kendriya Vidyalaya, I spoke to the Russian artists performing Garba here. They will be performing for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister will see that dance before, of course, he rests for a bit.